Time, precious time. I don't really have a British accent, but I thought it would be cool to try it out. We're always looking for ways to save it, from driving to work, to cooking dinner, to practicing DevOps. But when it comes to value, saving time is just the tip of the iceberg. Welcome to the world of Value Dan and Silly Shirts. I'm Dan Weisleder. I'm the Director of Business Value Management at Copado, and I am on a mission to translate the mysteries of DevOps into actual dollars and cents. I'm an ROI artist, I'm a metrics man, I'm a business buff, I'm really just a huge nerd. Anyway, join me live for Copado's Ask Me Anything webinar on March 22nd for a 30,000-foot view of the value landscape and plenty of actionable takeaways that you can share with your team. We're going to put output, velocity, and quality under the microscope. Might even talk about Battlestar Galactica. And we're going to explore how developers can do more high-value work with fewer errors on a tight scale. Bring all your questions about ROI and try to stump the ball. So I'll see you Wednesday, March 22nd.